Hello, we'd just like to introduce the Audi RS4 that we've had in today. So what we've installed is the Autowatch Ghost Immobiliser. So what I'll be doing is just showing you a bit of how the product works on this particular vehicle and going through a bit about the installation and also the features of the product. So first of all, we'll just start by looking at the car. Absolutely stunning car, really nice spec as well. At the moment we're really liking the new Audi product. So we'll just step into the vehicle. Right, so what we'll be highlighting here is just a little bit about the product. So for those of you who haven't heard about the product, it's called an Autowatch Ghost Immobiliser. So what the product does is it basically immobilises your vehicle. So even if you have the key, so this is the normal key, so I haven't done anything different here. So we're using the factory buttons on the steering wheel or across the vehicle to create a PIN code that then activates the start. So the keys are in the vehicle. So for instance, on this particular vehicle, start button's down here. So when you press start, like you normally would when you get in the car, the vehicle does start. Okay, so there you go. And what you've got here is, if I now try put it in reverse or anything, it doesn't go into reverse. Got my foot on the brake and it won't work. So I'm completely immobilized now. So the way the product works is, because it uses the factory buttons, you get in the car, you start the car slightly differently now. So what you do is, rather than putting your foot on the brake and starting straight away, you have to put the ignition on, let the vehicle load up, and then for demonstration purposes we've used this button here, pressing it 4 times. This is only for demonstration purposes, as there will be changed after the installation, and this is customizable at any time. So what you do is you press this button, for instance, 4 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, and what you get is 2 clicks there, and then you're good to start the car. And as you can see down here, down there, I can now go into drive or reverse like I used to be able to. So it completely transforms the vehicle, so really helps against thieves attacking the keyless entry technology. So as you can see, I can now drive away. It's nice and easy to use. It takes a bit of getting used to when you first got the product. The product also has something called service mode as well. So for any more details on this product, please do give us a call. Our contact number is 01223 56 30 30. Alternatively, you can visit our designated website. I'll be putting the link below for the Ghost Autowatch Immobiliser as well, just so you can take a look at that. So thank you very much for watching, and we will speak to you soon. Cheers, bye.